Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So today we woke up to the very sad and devastating news that Lukompo artist Nova Zai sadly passed away in a very tragic accident. You guys, now tributes has been coming in from the Lukompo Nation producers and of course the Limpopo government have confirmed the passing of the young artist from Mokopane in Makhwelereng. He was an upcoming artist, and just yesterday he was promoting his new single called Skete together with fellow artist West Boy. And unfortunately today we woke up to those news. Now you guys, it has also been reported that he was not alone in that tragic accident. It is said that also producer Babette and Westboy were also involved in that tragic accident on the R37 rather road in Leidenburg, Skilla. Now, while Nova Zai sadly did not make it, the condition of other two artists that they are in, it is said that they are currently in a very critical condition at the hospital. We are definitely sending them, a speedy recovery, you guys. Now social media has reacted. I have seen comments of people saying that if what Babette was the one driving, they were saying that he probably was intoxicated. I saw a post of somebody alleging that Babette is always drinking and driving, you guys. Anyways, we are sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to Nova's family, you guys, and wishing the two artists who survived a speedy recovery.